Hi guys, look at this question. The question is 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 15 to the power x minus 2. First of all, we can split this power as 5 to the power x into 5 to the power minus 1. Here you can write this as 15 to the power x into 15 to the power minus 2. Now, because of the negative power, just reciprocate this, so the power turns into a positive sign, and here you can write this as 15 to the power x upon 15 to the power 2. Further, you can write this as 5 to the power x upon 5 is equals to 15 to the power x upon 225. Now, just cross multiply such that this value of x comes in the denominator of the right hand side and this constant comes in the numerator of the left hand side. So moving this here and moving this here. So you get 225 upon 5 is equals to 15 to the power x upon 5 to the power x. Now as you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power n. So you can write this as 225 upon 5 is equals to 15 upon 5 whole to the power x. Now cancelling with 5 here, you get here 5 4 times and it is 45. So here we have 45 is equals to, this is 5 1 times and 3 times, 3 to the power x, or we can say that 3 to the power x is equals to 45, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.